We have $530 on the account. Hello guys, and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I am a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, I decided to show you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Okay, so we have invested $144. I decided to invest my whole deposit, and we have open sell position here because, as you can see, price is currently under pressure from the seller's side. According to the vortex, we're in the sell zone, according to the fractal seam, and now we have broken through the middle line of the fractal Charles Band's channel. So that's why everything is telling us to sell decisive, and we have already done this. Now let's just wait and see what will we get from this. So the first trade is close with profit. We have $276 on the account. This looks really nice. Let's continue. It's a good start. Is USD GPI. Here we're touching the resistance line zone right now. Let me also go all in. We have opened buy position, expecting the breakout. We have $530 on the account. Let's continue, my friends. So here we have open sell position, SAR CNI currency pair. As you can see, we started receiving a very nice pullback reaction from the resistance line zone. And after this, we have been stopped by the middle line of the fractal Charles Band's channel. Now we are gathering enough of power to break through it and push the price lower. So that's why I decided to halve the price, and I have opened sell position and wasting my $530 in this trade. Done. So we have $1,019 on the account, and we are ready to continue, guys. Once again, we're going all in, and let me open buy position, because here, as you can see, price is hitting the upgoing trend line right now, and from it we're highly likely to start growing. So that's why I have opened sell position here, investing all of our money. So this trade is closed with profit. We have $1,956 on the account. Looks really good. Let's continue, my friends. Let me change our investment to 1,956, and here we have opened sell position. Why did we open sell position here? Because, as you can see, the growth that we had turned into, yes, nice down-going correction. Moreover, according to the prevalence of the sellers on the market right now and the huge divergence in the volumes, we can be sure that price continue to drop. We have even made the new local low right now. That's why it was wise to open sell position here, and we are absolutely right. By the way, guys, while we are waiting for the result of this trade, don't forget to open the description of this video and subscribe to my private TG, where you will get access to the best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become a professional, experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online. So don't waste your time, do this right now and bear with me. Link in the description. Okay, guys. Now, USD GPI, almost same kind of scenario. We have open sell position, expecting the potential. Now let me open sell position once again, the same currency pair. We have invested our old deposit once again. And it's done. Oh my goodness, we have 10,000 US dollars. Oh, that's really crazy. Guys, we started with just $144 on the account and we turned them into 10,000 bucks just within around 7 minutes. If you want to have the same results, absolutely possible. All you need, open the description to this video right now, write me a message using the link in the description for my private TG and get access to the VIP channel and get this money daily, guys. Don't waste your time, do this right now. Be with me, see you all, kiss you all, and bye bye.